just a minute with the Lord. Imagine how God has created the nature. The only thing the nature knows to give. Imagine the sunlight. It comes up, keeps on giving and giving. Water never charge from us unless we buy bottles or purified water. Water never charge for itself, but people charge. So all the creation, when we take the plants, trees, whatever it is, everything, the nature of the creation is only to give. That is the purpose of being created. So that should be our very nature and our disposition too, just to give and keep on giving. Have a blessed day. Amen.